Now, if you look at the data from yesterday across Western Oregon, it shows we saw some pretty heavy rain here, and that was true for all of Oregon and really all of the Pacific Northwest as well. Take a look at these rainfall totals, quite impressive. Eugene saw the most of any Western Oregon city, topping out at nearly 3/4 of an inch of rain. That was not a record, it was close, but here is what it was. It was the most rain that we had seen in a single 24-hour period since December 1st. So the most we'd seen in one day so far in 2013. Also, it triples how much we had seen for the entire month, making a good dent in the deficit that we'd seen so far here in the rainfall for 2013. Picked up a 1/3 of an inch in Corvallis, about a 1/10 in Roseburg, a few showers over in Central Oregon, and for the coast, seeing about a 1/4 of an inch from Newport down into North Bend. Now, we're still waking up to some showers, and we're still going to add some rainfall totals to those buckets here today. Not a ton more. And here's the reason why. That jet stream is starting to push north. That area of low pressure, which has been parked right there offshore since Sunday, is also going to be moved north further into the Gulf of Alaska. We have one last little disturbance, which is moving through as we speak this morning. I've been talking this week about how you can think of this as like a wheel, with the center being the storm there, those spokes rotating around. So that's that last spoke that we're going to see from this storm before big changes move in. Here's what's going on. High pressure developing over the Four Corners region is getting stronger with each day. It's starting to balloon up, and as that pushes out, it's going to force that jet stream to move north and move west. Not a typical pattern for the jet stream. As it moves north, it's also going to bring up quite a bit of heat that has been bottled up here in the Four Corners region. So that's all going to slide north, and the entire Pacific Northwest likely seeing the warmest temperatures we've seen so far in 2013. So breaking it down, those showers, they come to an end today as that jet stream moves north. We're going to move back into the low 80s starting tomorrow, but much warmer starting Friday. Upper 80s and low 90s all the way through Tuesday. That's for inland locations. It's also going to be a very humid start to this heat wave because we still have a lot of moisture in place. So Thursday and Friday will likely be quite sticky. And of course, if all of this does not look good to you, if you're not a fan of the upper 80s and 90s, good news is we always have the Oregon coast, which will continue to stay quite mild. Today, mid to upper 60s, scattered showers, winds out of the southwest. As we head into Thursday, you will get warm, 70, 72 by Friday, staying in the low to mid 70s all the way through early next week. It's also going to be dry. It's going to be sunny, but you do not have to worry about the 80s and 90s there for the Central Coast. The Umpqua Basin, mid to upper 70s for you. Also looking at those scattered showers here this morning. Those will come to an end tonight. You'll get back into the mid 80s Thursday, low 90s Friday, and then we're talking mid 90s for early next week. The Cascades will be nearly 60 today. Rain showers off and on there today. Central Oregon, low to mid 70s for you. Scattered showers come to an end today for you as well. You'll get back into the upper 80s, low 90s this weekend, and mid 90s early next week. And for the Valley, highs in the low to mid 70s. Scattered showers off and on. Low 80s Thursday, and again, it's quite toasty next week, 90 by Monday.